Beautiful December day, as you can see, here in Nova Scotia. It's the snow, not a lot, but enough to make things complicated. I was thinking it was a good time for a cold start. And it's pretty freaking cold. I'd say it's at least 4 degrees. She don't care. She'll go. Alright. Old Ford. Let's see how she goes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, almost. Yeah, there we go. First try. Still has the throttle problem. Bogs real bad for some reason. Even when she's warm. Yeah, you can see it's got fucking 352,000. Apparently the motor's newer though. Bought this the other day. Thought that was pretty cool. Code reader for Fords. This is Ford OBD1 code reader. Fits all Fords except for Lincoln. Or no, it fits them all. Ford Lincoln Mercury 81 to 95. I think it's pretty good. But, as you see, truck started no problem. So, that's pretty good, I think. Considering how freaking cold it is. Alright, everybody.